We are going to set a trap for small birds. This is a type of cage fall trap which catches birds alive. To build the trap, we are going to use one plastic case, 4 sticks, one Y-shaped and 3 straight ones, one of them shorter and the other 2 longer, one bobbin of invisible thread. As bait, we are going to use red tomatoes. Birds have very strong vision, and they are especially attracted by the red color. Let us start by explaining to you the trigger mechanism. Using the 4 sticks, we are going to build a support structure that will prop up one side of the plastic case. Here is how. First, prepare the sticks. Taper off one end of each straight stick. Cut in 2 notches on the Y stick on opposite sides, one deep at the middle and one slight at the end. Insert the Y into the edge of the cage. Insert the pointed tip of the short straight stick in the middle notch of the Y from the outside. Ground its other end. This is your support stick. The support stick puts pressure on the Y rotates inwards, and the case falls. Using the 2 longer sticks, prop up the Y from the inside by inserting their pointed tips in the lower notch of the Y and grounding their other ends at the back corners. These are the trigger sticks. Until triggered, they will keep the trap from falling. At the slightest touch of any of the trigger sticks, the construction will fall down and the case will shut over. Before you put the trigger sticks, tie the bait with invisible threads onto them. Place the bait in the back of the inside, so that when the bird goes for it, it gets entangled in the threads, pulls the trigger sticks, and the trap falls. Make sure you level off the ground before you set the trap, so when the case falls, there will be no gaps through which the bird could escape. Okay, we have set the trap. Let us now demonstrate how it works. Let us simulate a bird going for the bait. Lo and behold, the trap has snapped. The case has fallen over the bird. We are going to set the trap by these beans poles among these cabbages. We have noticed many small birds flying and landing around here. They probably look for insects, but they also like to peck on the cabbage. It's 3 in the afternoon. We have set the trap. We know that birds get active toward sunset. Let's wait and see what happens.